If Steam is throwing error 301, also known as Handshake Failed or Connection Refused, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Steam connecting properly again. This usually happens when Steam tries to talk to its servers, but something on your PC is outdated, corrupted, or stuck in a network loop. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling Steam. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is delete the Userdata folder because this is often the fastest and most effective fix for Steam error 301. This folder stores local account session tokens, and if those tokens become corrupted, Steam may fail the handshake and refuse the connection. To do this safely, first close Steam completely. Don't just click the X in the corner because Steam may still be running in the background. Open Task Manager and make sure Steam is fully closed. If you see any Steam processes still active, end them before continuing. Now, open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder. In most cases, that will be c:/program files x86 /Steam. Inside that folder, look for the folder called Userdata. Once you find it, you have two options. You can delete it or you can move it to your desktop as a backup just in case you want to restore it later. For most users, moving it to the desktop is the safer choice. After that, restart Steam and log back in. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear the handshake issue and get you back into the client. If error 301 is still showing up, the next fix is to repair the Steam service. A stuck or hung background service can stop Steam from completing its secure connection properly. First, close Steam again to make sure nothing is interfering. Then press Windows key and R to open the run box. Type CMD and then press Ctrl, Shift and Enter together to open command prompt as administrator. This is important because the repair command needs admin access to run correctly. In the command prompt window, type this command exactly, quoted path c:/program files x86 /steam /bin /steam service.exe quoted path space/repair. Then press enter. After you run it, wait for the process to finish. Sometimes the window may close on its own, and that's completely normal. Once it's done, relaunch Steam and check whether the error is gone. This repair can fix service-related issues that prevent Steam from establishing a proper handshake with its servers. If the problem still continues, the next step is to clear the local Htmlcache folder. Steam's 300 series errors are often tied to web-based components, and clearing this cache can remove corrupted files that are causing the connection issue. To do this, close Steam again if it's open. Then press Windows key and R, type %localappdata %\steam and press enter. This will take you to Steam's local data directory. Inside that folder, look for Htmlcache. Delete that folder completely. This will not remove your games, but it can clear out bad cached web data that interferes with Steam's login and connection process. Once the folder is deleted, restart Steam and test it again. In many cases, this final cleanup step is what fixes the remaining connection problem. So to recap, if you're dealing with Steam error 301, start by deleting or backing up the Userdata folder, then repair the Steam service, and finally clear the Htmlcache folder. These three steps solve most handshake and connection refused issues without needing a full reinstall. If one fix doesn't work, move on to the next one in order and make sure Steam is fully closed before each step. If this video helped you fix Steam error 301, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Steam troubleshooting, PC repair tips, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.